Former eThekwini Mayor Zandile Gumede and 21 others will appear at the High Court in Durban today for their multi-million rand corruption case. The 22 suspects face a combined 2,786 criminal charges. This relates to tenders issued by the municipality's Durban Solid Waste unit. Newzroom Africa's Karinda Jagmohan found this report.
Amanda! Amanda!
A carefully planned and premeditated criminal act committed over 18 months. That's how the state describes the alleged theft of eThekwini Metro's funds, which was allegedly led by former Mayor Zandile Gumede, City Manager Sipho Nzuza, Councillor Mondli Mthembu and other high-ranking officers. According to the state's allegations, this is how it was done. Between 2016 and 2017, the contracts of several service providers at the Durban Solid Waste unit were about to expire. The man responsible for starting the supply chain management process to appoint new contractors was Robert Abu, an official at the DSW. The state alleges he didn't start this process on time. Instead, the then city manager, Sipho Nzuza, appointed Abu to a new position, which previously did not exist, but which allowed Abu to deviate from the normal procedure to give new companies the tender. Abu is the first accused and listed as one of the main role players in the case. Then enter Councillor Zandile Gumede. Gumede was appointed as eThekwini mayor in 2016. The state says she told councillors she knew about their financial challenges and that the time of radical economic transformation had arrived. She said the implementation of this would be led by Councillor Mondli Mthembu, who's listed as accused number 15. Gumede and Mthembu reportedly discussed the DSW tender with several councillors in 2017. 4 main companies would be awarded the tender and community-based contractors would be appointed beneath them as subcontractors. It's through these community-based contractors that the suspects allegedly stole money. The state says their evidence will prove that Gumede, Mthembu and others together enabled several ANC councillors, business forums and family members to benefit through these tenders in exchange for their political support. The state has pointed to cell phone records which allegedly show how Gumede, Mthembu, Robert Abu and Sipho Nzuza influenced these processes discreetly with the assistance of Zandile Ngcobo. Ngcobo was at the head of the city's bid adjudication committee, which approved the tender despite the irregularities. The group of 22 suspects, which also include the companies involved and their owners, are facing a combined 2,786 criminal charges. These include theft, money laundering, fraud and corruption, as well as contravening the Municipal Finances Management Act. In total, eThekwini Metro paid 320 million rand to the main 4 companies between December 2017 and July 2019, whereas the initial budget for this project was 45 million rand over 3 months. Investigations into invoices from the main contractors show their claims were in excess of the services they apparently rendered. The state says this was to pay subcontractors that ultimately benefited the suspects, who are set to appear before the Durban High Court. Gumede, who is the senior-most public officer charged in this matter, has continually expressed her innocence. She since stepped aside from her public duties as per her party's mandate for corruption-accused members. Other suspects have also been moved from their positions. Meanwhile, the state claims to have a watertight case with a trial date expected to be disclosed on Monday. For Newzroom Africa on Channel 405, I'm Karinda Jagmohan in Durban.